guys, welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with a quick Luvmehair wig install. This is what the package looks like, you guys. Everything's gonna be tagged below in case you guys are interested. It did come with a wig cap. They do give us some goodies that I'm going to briefly hop into. You get a wig brush, another mirror. So this is my third mirror. I can just put one in every purse. Absolutely love it. Then you do get a melt belt. Your hair does come in this pretty package. I'm sure this is pretty repetitive because you guys have seen me do this a million times. Today we're actually going to be doing a closure wig. As you guys can see, I have not taken it out. It's straight out of the package. Let me just give you guys some brief detailing about what the hair looks like. So this is what the hair looks like. It's actually already pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Okay, the inside does have a few combs, an adjustable strap, and it's got some curls. So this is going to be one of the easiest wig installs that we have done in a long time, because I know sometimes a lot of people aren't into fully customizing hair, and I 110% understand. So let's just hop into this video. Okay, so straight out of the package, we're just going to put it on our head. Y'all see what my hair looks like. So let's just go for it. So you guys, straight out of the package, I am literally just putting it on my hair. It's actually super roomy, super comfortable, and it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Okay, so this is what it looks like just straight on my head out of the package. No nothing. I do think that the lace itself is really pretty. I might just briefly cut it off with you guys. It's super pretty. I really like this. Okay, so I'm actually not gonna even cut off that much. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I did leave on a little bit of lace. Can you see? So I did cut off the second edge as well, and it looks really good. So all I've done so far is simply cut off the lace, and as you guys can see, the hairline looks really good. I don't know if you guys can see the lace, but I still do have a little bit of lace on there, and I prefer a little more lace on there than not, only because whenever I do actually want to spray this wig down, I have more leeway to, you know, do that. But we're gonna just briefly finger comb it. I got hair in my eye. The next thing that we're gonna do is just briefly run our hands through it. Okay, so still I haven't done anything to the lace. I'm just running my hands through the hair. Like I said, I did not wash it. I normally do, but just straight out of the package, because way too many of you guys have been asking for like what it looks like straight out of the package. It's really nice. It's kind of cute. And you guys, I want you to know, if you like more of a customized hairline, you can definitely go about adding more or even leaving out your hair. So just straight out of the package, I really do like it. I like how natural it does look. Like I said, you can actually spray the hairline down. You can add baby hairs if you like to, but I just kept it real subtle, just real easy. Wow, it looks really good. I like it. So how I like my hair, I'm gonna just flip it real quick, you know, bed head, like absolutely nothing, just putting on the wig. I like it. The hair is super soft, so if you happen looking for anything just I can just throw it on and go kind of do, gorgeous. I do like the highlights. I feel like it's just a happy medium. It's not doing too much. If you want to tone down the highlights, you definitely can. I really like the hairline. I like it. So here is another option on how you guys can go about wearing your hair. Closure wigs, you can still style it up and wear it a few different ways if you wanted to. Like I said, I absolutely love this hair. I can even put it up in the cutest half a ponytail. Like I said, this is straight out of the package. So the vibes are endless. You can either do a bun, you know, it's cute. I really do like it. And lastly, here I am just rocking it in like a low bun with no scarf. If you wanted to, you could just swoosh your actual edges out and you would be completely fine. But if I just really wanted to put on a wig and go, I can still manage to do that. You can get it more sleek if you wanted to, but I was just trying to show you guys some of the options that you do have with closure wigs, because some people think that just because it's a closure wig, you're kind of set to wear it in a middle part or a side part if that's what the wig entails. I do think that closure wigs are some of the easiest wigs to manipulate and genuinely make them look like your hair, because you can just leave your sides out in case it was a windy day and that wind was blowing. But I'm really here for this. It's cute, you guys. It's really cute. Oh my goodness. Like, I mean, every time that I've ordered from Luvmehair, I've absolutely loved it, and I just literally can't stop running my fingers through the hair because I love the vibe that it's giving. Like, when I say easy, throw on and go, low maintenance, no maintenance type of deal, I love it. And if you are actually really good at customizing hairlines, you would love this hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I do feel like this is an easy everyday throw on and go wig. I don't feel like this wig is going anywhere. I don't have on a wig cap or anything. I just have my hair slicked down. So if, you know, when the wind is to blow, you do see the sides of my hair. Nothing too major, but it's really cute. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.